It's your boy Loudest coming at you with another banger video. If y'all did watch the last video, we are getting the legacy decal slapped on today. We have waited a little bit to get the logo created, everything done for, and it is ready. We got the phone call, so we're literally gonna pull up to exclusive wraps right now. The logo is wow. I really just fell in love with this logo. Like, if I had this logo on a jacket or a hat, I would rock it all the fucking time. Let me know what y'all think about the logo. Like, should I make it merch? Should I make it apparel? Would you rock it? Let me know in the comments down below. Check out the carbon fiber though. This shit looks insane, bro. I feel like it looks a lot more, the car looks a lot more luxurious, especially because it's got this fat ass touchscreen. And if you got a 70-inch TV in your shit, you're gonna wanna have some carbon fiber next to it. That's how it is. Why are there so many stray dogs out here? Literally, there's a pit bull back there. I feel like I'm driving like a grandma, but hey, safety first. Is that a wolf? Hold on. Nigga, that's a wolf. Ugly at. Damn, there's a big ass piece of rebar. Look at this shit. Imagine I should do a puncture in my car. 305 tires are not cheap.
So I had to remake it again because with the laminate, there was one just a little bit messed up.
One of the corners?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get the decal installed. Bro, this shit looks crazy. I already seen it like in his hand. I wanna see it on the car. This is what y'all call quality work. I'm telling y'all, exclusive wraps. They do all my decals, bro. The ones on my truck, every single event I go to, you see that, this is where I go to. Stockton, California. I'll drop the at below and the numbers so y'all can know where to go to.
This is the fun part.
Hell yeah, appreciate you guys, appreciate it. It looks crazy. I always wonder how people do stickers, because I feel like I've burnt so many stickers in my life. I'm just not good at that shit, I swear. Like this is what like the car needed. Like it needed that extra touch to make it a little bit more sporty.
This is almost wrapped, so they're doing this color right now. We're doing the back of this window, and then this one, they put a cover. These are like a slow project, so it's gonna take a couple of months.
Oh, half and half.
Yeah, we're trying. We say just get it done whenever you can. So basically, it's a half and half. This is, you see, it's a texture, and it's going to Texas. This one.
Oh, it was Texas?
Yeah. And
If you got people from Texas coming out here, you know you're doing good work. That's clean. Is it G37?
It's Infinity. Yeah.
Infinity? Okay.
Yeah.
Truck too?
Where am I wrap this one? It's an ice cream truck.
Oh, all these stickers and everything?
Yes.
You guys do it all.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. This color's really, what color is this? It's like a...
I don't know the
like
color.
a satin red, right?
Yeah. This wrap is really nice. Very expensive wrap too.
What's the turnaround time for like, if I bring the car?
Yeah.
You think it'd be like a month?
It take us maybe about 3 days, 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
So if he's
That's quick. That's
yeah.
very quick, brother. Yo, some slicks too. Homie's fast.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
You warned it. Oh.
It's super loud?
Yeah. It's very loud.
All right, y'all. So we got everything wrapped up. Car got the stamp on it. Everything looks insane. We talk business work. Bro, you gotta network. One thing about 2025 is y'all have to learn how to network. Me, myself, I do not like talking. I'm not much of a social talker. I'm very like, I can do YouTube, but I'm more anti-social than anything. But you need to learn how to network. Networking is how you grow. But let's talk about that shit. Let's look at the car, bro. The car looks fucking crazy. Sheesh. Imagine this, but with a fat ass slick in the back. But it looks super aggressive, man. This is what the car needed. done. You're done, guys. I'll let him get next to me. What do you want to do? What happened? All right, let me take my ass home before we get tight shit. And we're back. This car looks way better with the whole new setup, y'all. Like, it just looks insane. But we are gonna be going to the muffler shop right now. We are gonna be throwing on this super loud Vtronic I don't remember what it's called. Babe, give me my phone real quick. Bad car, bad girl. Let me see.
Wait, who's Tatiana?
Let me see.
Why are you texting Tatiana?
What are you talking about, bro? Let me see.
Oh, really? You want to text Tatiana?
Bruh, stop. All right, y'all. What are you doing?
You want to text Tatiana?
Bro, what are you doing? Stop.
Oh, really?
What are you doing? Bro. Bro. All right, y'all, we're just joking. What really happened, there's no Tatiana. Now it's playing. There's no Tatiana. Honestly, the car is super hot and I already got a ticket for tint. I was going to leave it on, but due to the fact that we're going to go with a loud ass exhaust, I don't want to have no reason to get pulled over in this car. Huh. So we're going to take off the tint right now before we get the exhaust put on so we'd have no more risks. Hey, she did a good job though. She almost ripped it off clean. Let me see. What happened? You did a good job though. You did a good job of ripping it off. God damn, I feel like I'm gonna pull the windshield off on this motherfucker. Oh my god. That shit got super glue. Hold on, I gotta get my grip strength. Head ass. They're already expecting this here. We're here at the shop. Let's see what we talking about. Let's see what this looking like. Valvetronic exhaust. Honestly, one of the best in the game. They even give you a license plate. Didn't know they came with that. It's worth it, bro. If you don't want to get me pulled over for this shit. Homeboy did my truck years ago, and that video has a lot of fucking views. I had no hiccups. Honestly, the work is good. Probably the best shop in Stockton. Should I give y'all the sauce? Y'all gonna have to comment down for the sauce. If y'all want to know where this is at, it's in Stockton, California. If y'all want to know where shop is at, comment down below and subscribe. Mami, jefe, ¿lo quieres aquí? ¿Aquí lo quieres?
Déjame ver qué es lo que le vamos a poner.
So, aquí están los mofos. Son más de que son las 2:30. I didn't get to get it before for y'all, but I'm gonna rev it up a little bit so y'all can hear it. Big birthday. All right, y'all. So there was not enough time in that day to get all the work done. So we're back here on a different day. Just because if you're going to do things once, do it right or don't do it at all. Today we got all the time that we need. We're going to be here from daylight to sunlight. Now, hold on. Daylight to nighttime. No, wait. No, sun up to sun down. We're going to be here sun up to sun down until the exhaust gets put on and wired up. You got it in matte black, shiny black, black, cat in the hat. You got it in chrome. I don't know, we're just here sitting here like trying to investigate shit. He even got the right shit. If you got a Mustang and you got these, hang it up. Take it off, my boy. This ain't Fast and Furious. All right, y'all, well, the car is completely done. Great work. A lot of work. I can't wait to drop the car down and see what it's gonna sound like. But, gracias al señor por poner. Now it's time to take the car home, get the wiring on, and see how it's gonna go. All right, y'all. So we're back at the crib. Literally, I have not ever seen an exhaust system like this. This is an active exhaust. So literally, you click the button, exhaust is open, super loud. Everybody's hearing you. Your mama can hear you. Your grandma can hear you. It don't matter if you got family and cousins in Mexico. They can hear you. Hit the button again, super quiet. I don't think y'all understand. The car is quieter than what it was with my old exhaust. And like, I love that. Literally, I love that. Especially when you want to be quiet, you want to slap music, you got a little baddie with you in the, feel me, you feel me? You want to just listen to the music. You don't want to be hearing that. You want to have good energy, good vibes. When you see the carbon fibers, you're like, my God, yeah, money. But you're broke. That's the fucked up part. We're not going to do a whole rundown. Literally, connect the controller, put it to ignition, as always, so it doesn't kill your battery. This one is literally like an air cutout. It's a vacuum one, right? So hit the button, they fill it with air, they open the valves. And by my understanding, I'm seeing like, okay, because it got air, it's probably going to be compressed a lot harder than electric. I just feel like that's how it would go. Like, kind of like a power tool, electric tool versus a air tool is a difference, right? But I'm going to route this in the back of the car, put everything on, and then I'm going to show y'all how I did it. And then let's go. We're going to take it out for a drive so you can hear what it sounds like with the valves closed and how it sounds with the valves open. Because it sounds insane, bro. Right now, it sounds quiet, but you can still hear that like that that power behind it. You feel me? Everything's on. The exhaust is on. The module's on. This shit is high quality. Look at this shit. They make good products, my boy. They make good products. Come with me, walk with me. I'm gonna show you how we installed this and how we got it done. You see how it looks completely stock? And you can't tell what's in there? That's how it's supposed to get done. But I wired the power to a fuse, like I told y'all. I tapped it to a fuse and I put one to the ground. Everything's amazing, lovely, love it. Yeah, she awake. Y'all, it is so much louder. But the good thing about Coyote is that it stays quiet when you keep the RPMs above, like, not above, lower than 3,000, you're good. Oh my boy. Nah, this shit's gonna be dangerous. I just washed the car. Oh my God. This shit sounds beautiful. Alright, let's do a little second gear pull. Down below if you think this shit sounds crazy. And subscribe. I be putting out so much content for y'all. Subscribe. Super quiet when I want it, super loud when I need it. It's like a Little Caesars pizza, hot and ready. We're not even long tube yet. Wait till we go long tube and I'm gonna do a little bit more of a custom exhaust. This car is gonna scream. Coyotes are one of the most loudest cars I've ever heard. I ain't gonna lie. And I have an LS platform too, so I can say that, because my truck is pretty loud. Quiet, bro. Peaceful. Literally. I can eat a sandwich right now, just fucking chilling. This is the loudest it's gonna get. Cutouts are closed. Mount Rushmore over there. I don't want to go flying over this shit. do is close cutout. Next, we're gonna open the cutout and y'all go hear this motherfucker scream. Let's drive away like good pedestrians. Alright YouTube, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. We are almost at 5K, y'all, and we're gonna keep pumping out banger videos. Y'all, let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see truck videos? Do you want to see vacation videos? Do you want to see this Mustang ride-alongs? What do y'all want to see? We are 3 months into this year and things are going great. Whatever you guys have your mindset on, lock in, focus, block out all the negative energy, block out any haters, any type of thing you got going on, and keep achieving your goals. Because honestly, y'all, anything is possible. Anything is possible. But that's gonna be it for today's video. It's your boy Junior. I'm out. Till next time. Peace.